This video is about Google Docs. Google Docs is yet another application of G Suite, and it is similar to Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So as you know, this is a G Suite application, so we have to have a Gmail address. I just opened my Gmail, and then I'll tell you how to open Google Docs. There are two ways. First one is click on this Google Apps and go down to find Docs. Click on it and it will open into a new tab. The other way is go to a new tab and type in docs.google.com. All right, so the same way as I explained in my previous video when I did for slides, I told you we can open all these applications through this one, like slides.google.com. All right, and the other one was sheets.google.com. Okay, so I'll just close all these things. I just wanted to let you know how can you open these applications. This is my Google Docs. When you click on it, when you see this dashboard here, I have all these template gallery here. When I click on it, I can find more and more templates. Go down and find more and more templates here. Suppose that I have to write a sales code or there is a training proposal. So I can pick up any of these templates and it would be easier for me to write my stuff on a ready-made template. But in this video, I will start off with a blank one because this is just a basic tutorial. And in this way, I'll be able to explain all the basic formats and other tools. All right, so this is my blank document. First of all, I will name my document here. Google Docs or Google document. All right. So okay, so this is my Google document and I'll start off with the title. Okay, so my title is Google Doc tutorial. And how am I going to format it? I'll just select this portion and I can change the font, its size, and make it like more, I can beautify it by different colors and all. So let me start with the font first. I'll make it different because this is like my main titles. I'll make it extra bold and I will underline it and make it a little bit bigger. Change the color. All right, and then I'll make it center. Okay, so I aligned it center. And then go down for my subheading, which is impact of technology on learning. All right, but this one I don't want it same as my title. So what will I do? I'll make it a little bit smaller. Make it a little bit different colors so that it looks different than the main one, and I will make it left aligned. All right. Okay, now go down. Now actually here I don't want any formats as of now, so I will just remove these formats and I'll make it the normal one. Okay, so this is the normal one. Okay, so I actually have one of my articles that I am going to paste it here so that I can show you how does it work with the formatting and all. So this is my article and I will just copy. So you can copy anything from any article by Control C and pasting it to your Google Doc by Control V. And then, okay, so here I can change the name. So here I can actually format it accordingly. I need to Vedana like that one more for my main stuff, and the color, I'll make it something different. Okay, and then align it. Okay, I'll show you the different alignments. This is like, if I make it left aligned, it's like this. You can make it center aligned, you can right align it, or you can justify it. Okay, so it becomes like this. Okay, now suppose if I want the same format for the rest of my document, what I can simply do is click on anywhere in this area, because I want the same format as this one. I'll click on this painter for paint format and then click the rest of it. Okay, I go down and okay, so this will give me the same format as the one I just formatted. And then you can just adjust it. All right, so once this is done, all right, so see this one, I need this to be single spaced. Okay, not like, I don't want this much spacing in between these two lines. So what I can do is simply select this paragraph, go to the line spacing, which is here. Okay, so you can select some single or 1.15 or 1.5. I prefer 1.5. Okay, this gives me enough space also and doesn't give me like a lot of space in between. The same thing I'll do with this one. And line spacing. That's it. Okay, so once this is done, I can now see a lot of spelling mistakes that I have made in my document, and there is a lot of the punctuation problems as well as grammar mistakes. So let's fix it. There is a tool. Put your cursor on the beginning of the document first. Go to tools. You will find the spelling and grammar tool here, and let's check it out. All right, the first one is different. For me, I made only single F, but actually it should be double F. So I can either click on this one. This is the suggested spelling of different, and or either I can either click on this different or accept it. Okay, so I'll click on different. Assessments, I made a mistake. I'll select this one. Yes, teaching. Yep. And then world and especially. Okay, so the whole world, especially the education sector, for me, I made this mistake. It's suggesting me that there should be a comma after world, and it's also telling me that especially should be with E. But for me, I know that both the spellings are correct. Okay, so what I can do, I'll just ignore this one. But of course, I need to put a comma here. All right, and then the next one is sector is concentrating. Yes, I'll pick this one. Concentration at the latest classroom. Interesting. And then nowadays should be combined, not the way I have written. All the different, there should not be the in between, so all different. And classroom make. This is it. So now my document looks good. I have fixed all these grammar and punctuation as well as spelling mistakes. All right, so after that, let's do something with the bullets. I'll make a list. Anything you can write down. Just I want to show you how to make bullets. All right. Okay. I want it same like this one. So I'll just copy, format paint with this one and click on this. It will become the same like that one. And now if I want to bullet it, I'll select these ones, go to bullets. There are two types of bullets, the one with the symbols and the other one with numbers and alphabets. So I'll just pick up this one, symbol one. Now, there is another feature of inserting different things, okay? Now, I'll show you how to insert a picture, any image to your document. To insert an image, you can either upload it from the computer or search the web, and then there are other options also. For me, I'll just upload it from the computer. I have this one. I'll just pick this one and I can resize it accordingly. All right, I can align it and make crop or whatever I want with this one. All right, at this stage, I'll tell you one more feature of Google Docs, which is very useful. It's assigning a task to someone. All right, suppose I want to assign this image to one of my colleagues who is good at editing, and so once I'll share this document with a group of my colleagues, this particular one would know what to do with this image. All right, so how can you do that? Actually you can do that with any part of the document also, right? You can do it with just click here if you want to assign this part, or select this area, or whatever you want. For me, I'll just assign it from this one. Okay, right click, comment, and here at the rate, and I will assign to this secondary Gmail, assign to secondary. All right, and so this is my account, primary account, and I'm assigning to the secondary one. Click assign. And okay, so it says someone needs access to Google document. Okay, I'm assigning with to secondary one, and who is he? Is he going to be the editor or commenter? I'll make him editor, and then comment. All right. So once you press the comment, the receiver will receive an email also. Okay, after this, I'll show you how to insert a chart. Many people have problem with making charts on Google Docs or MS Word. So it's easier here, and they have Google Docs have actually made it much easier. So I'll tell you how to make a chart. You go to insert again, chart. What type of chart you want? You want a column, bar, line, or pie? I'll select bar at this moment, and then I'll tell you how to change it to column later. All right, so I selected this one, but this is not what I want. I have a different data. All right, so I need to change it to my own data. How would I do that? I will click on this down arrow and click on open source. The source will be open in a new tab. This is okay, so this is the source. Okay, but I can make changes here, right? I would say this is a data for my class. So what I can do, I just make it semester wise, not the term wise. Okay, this is going to be like marks, assignments, And there is another column that I want as total. Okay. So, and then I'll change this data also. I'll remove this one because my data is from 50. So I would say 38 and 31, 40. All right, total, I can simply add them. By the way, how can you undo in Google Docs? You can either select from here or press Control Z or go here, edit and undo. Okay, so there are 3 ways you can select either of them. I just undid something. I made a mistake, so I used undo. And then I'll just drag it down for my total. Okay, again, now I see this bar chart, which is still having only two bars, but now my data is like 3 bars, and I have different data points. Like I have semesters instead of the other one. I have marks, assignments. They have taken this one, but they haven't included the 3rd column yet. All right, so how would I do that? Click on these 3 dots here, edit the chart. Okay, now here I can change it to other chart type also. And right now it's bar chart, but suppose I want it like a column one. I'll make it column. All right, and then I go down. This is all fine. And here in this series, it says there is marked column and there is assignment. But I want to add another series, which is select the area. Click on this and select your area here and click OK. All right, so now I can see all 3 columns of mine, and this is my bar chart. All right, now you can see that this is made in a different tab. Now when I go back to my document, it's still the same as before. But what do I do? There is this update button. Click on update and it will be updated as the one that you have made changes in. All right, so this is what you wanted. Yeah, so this is all about the basics of Google Docs. There are lots of other features, extensions, add-ons to it. But in this video, I just concentrated on the basics of Google Docs. All right, so once you make your once you are ready with your document, you can again share it with a group of people you want. You can add their email addresses separated by the comma, and you can even select, copy the link and send it to your Google Classroom. So I already told you how to make a Google Classroom. You can check that video, and I'll put the link to it also. And then lastly, what you can do, you can even make a copy of it. All right, and then you can download it as Microsoft Word, and you can download it as PDF also. All right, so you can just simply click on PDF document. It will be converted to the PDF. There it is. And when you open the file, you'll find it as PDF. This is it. So I made this document of 2 pages for now, and this covers almost all the basics of Google Documents. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.